Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Here is an amazing demonstration of how you can multiply numbers by 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 very easily without knowing tables. Yes, if you are struggling in tables, I hope you have seen my latest video posted 2 days ago, in which I told you how to write all the tables up to 99, and I also told you how you can do dodging tables in mind, that too up to 99. So let's think that you know only tables up to 9, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that is sufficient actually, to multiply numbers by 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 19. So this is a demonstration of the speed maths trick which we have in our first chapter. This is the first chapter, this is multiplication chapter, and if you see we have given the videos also. So all these videos will be there in the book also. So speed maths, how to get the speed maths book, I'll tell you on in the next slide. But let me first tell you about the trick. Why does it matter? There are hundreds and thousands of places where you are using tables of 12 to 19, but fact is only 1 to 2% of the students and even teachers remember tables up to 19, and dodging tables, it comes down to 0.2 or 0.3% of the people who know dodging tables well. And in those circumstances, multiplication surely becomes little tricky, and I'm going to simplify that in front of you today in this video. So let's make maths joyful and quick. Yes, that's what they test you for, right? In the competitive exams at IMO level, or RIMC, the Aryabhat Ganit challenge, SOF, all these Olympiads, they are testing you for your speed and accuracy, the smartness. And even at placement level, SSC, UPSC, CAT, MAT, Railways, Banking, LIC, all those quantitative aptitude exams cannot be cracked if you are not smart. So I was telling you, okay, that we have this the ultimate guide to speed maths, right? So I need to tell you how to get a copy of that. There are two ways you can get this amazing combo of, this is volume 1 and this is volume 2, and you can see this has video links also for ready reference, and 2400 questions, 1300 practice questions, illustrations, video links. If you are studying in class 5 onwards, 5 to 6, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 12, or college or placement, preparing for placement exams, this is what you need to target. The ultimate guide to speed maths. You can get a copy of this by sending me a message on WhatsApp. That is one way of getting a copy. 9896369963. This is the WhatsApp number. Or the second option is Amazon. So the Amazon links are given in the description here, in the video description here. So you can click the Amazon links and purchase it or order it to get it right at your doorsteps. I'll tell you more about those books, but first let me get into the trick. How do you solve those questions? So I have the calculator ready so that we can confirm whether our answer is coming out to be true or not. So let's take a random 3-digit number. Suppose I have a number like 438, right? And I need to multiply this by any number from 11 to 19. So let's take 12 first. Now, I don't know what is 12 times table, so I am going to struggle. I'll be using the traditional approach of multiplication, that is one line, then cross, then another line, then putting a line, and then adding vertically to get the answer. That's what we do at class 2 level, and unfortunately at class 10 level also students are doing the same thing, and that's what we don't want to do, right? See the smartness now. I don't know 12 times table, but I do know what is 2 times table. 2 times, right? That is very easy. So what will I do? I'll start with 2 times table. 8 2s are 16. I'll put a slash so that I write all the steps in the first question, and then as we proceed through the questions, I'll show you how the steps can be skipped and you get the correct answer in the first attempt without any steps. Right? Now 8 times 2, 16. When you do 3 times 2, it is 6, but you have one digit on the right side of 3, right? So always do 3 times 2, 6, and add the next digit. So 6 plus 8, 14, and then again 4 times 2, 8, next digit is 3, so 8 plus 3, 11, and once you are done with all the digits, just write first digit as it is. Now watch. 16 means 6, 1 carry. 14 plus 1, 15, 5, 1 carry. 11 plus 1, 12, 2, 1 carry. And 4 plus 1, 5. 5 to 5, 6. Is that the correct answer? So I need to verify, okay. So 438 times 12. Let's do 438 times 12. And there we go. The answer is 5256. And my answer is absolutely correct. Random numbers, and you will see when the multiplier is between 11 to 19 how wonderfully the trick will work. So let's take another question. We will have a 4-digit number this time, okay. So how about taking 8, 9, 4, 3. See, it's a big number, right? And I need to multiply that by, so can we challenge ourselves? Let's see. 13. This time we have done 12. I'll do 13 now. I don't know 13 times table, but I know 3 times table. Okay, so let's do 3 times table. 3 times 3, 9. Now there is no number on the right of 3, right? So just 9. Then 4 times 3 is 12. Then add the next one. 12 plus 3 is 15. Likewise 9 times 3, 27. Plus 4, 31. 8 times 3, 24. Plus 9, 33, right? And finally we have done all the digits, so 8 will come as it is here. Now start writing from the right hand side. 9. 15 means 5. 1 carry. This becomes 32. So 2, 3 carry. This becomes 36. 6. So 3 carry. And 8 plus 3, 11. Now I don't know whether my answer is correct or not. If I have done it correctly, my calculator will definitely support me. So let's see. 1, 1, 6, 2. Oh, I am doing the other way around. It's like 8, 9, 4, 3 times 13. What do we get? We get 116259. And that's the beauty of mathematics. You know, when you are smart, no calculation is difficult for you. So I'll continue this. I'll tell you how to multiply numbers by 17, 18, 19, and that will solve a lot of your problems, and you can actually extrapolate that to multiply numbers up to 99 by 99. Okay, so before that, let me just tell you some features of this speed maths Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths Volume 1, Volume 2, authored by me. See, you can see my beautiful face here, right? So, how many of you have already procured this? It is very important that you start studying this right from the school level, so that you know you can develop those competencies. And this is especially for 10x faster calculations and to make you smart in mathematics. So, this is Volume 1 and this is Volume 2. Again, it contains how many chapters? Let's see. 14 different chapters, and the chapters are like speed and time problems, profit and loss, and then we have the mixtures and alligations, the age problems, train problems, pipes and cisterns, simple and compound interest, mensuration, probability. Oh my god, this is like a treasure for all the SSC aspirants and all the competitive exams, wherever, railways, banking, whatever. This is actually for school students, the Volume 1. It has everything basic in it, and you can actually study it yourself. Look at this, how many QR codes are given. For every concept we have illustrations, we have challenge zone through which you can apply your knowledge, and then if you don't understand something, just scan this QR code, the video is going to play. What else we require? And after the end of every chapter you have these answer keys given so that everything can be checked. So friends, lot of lovely things in these books, very this much of investment and this much of benefit. So let's see some more questions. Here we have 7, 4, 8, 9, and I need to multiply that by 14. So by 14 means, don't trouble yourself by saying you are multiplying the number by 14. Just say to yourself it is 4, right? This number 9 times 4, 36. So I'll write a 36. 8 times 4, 32, plus 9, 41. 4 times 4, 16, plus 8, 24. 7 times 4, 28, plus 4, 32. And finally the first number 7. So start from the right. 6, 3 carried. So 44 means 4, 4 carried 28 means 8, 2 carried 34 means 4, 3 carried 7 plus 3 10. And here you go. Now I am not going to use the calculator. You use the calculator and tell me in the comments, is it working for you? One more and then I am going to conclude this. I think you must be convinced that this trick really works. So this is my WhatsApp number. Please jot down, and you can actually get it with a huge amount of discount when you send a message to me on WhatsApp. I'll talk to you directly on phone and tell you the features. Okay. So one more question. Suppose I have a 5-digit number. Now I'm going to trouble myself. Okay. 3, 7, 4, 8, 2, and I need to multiply that by 18. Big number, right? I don't know 18 times table, sincerely. So I don't want to know 18 times table. I know 8 times table. So let's start. 2 times 8, 16. 8 times 8, 64. Plus 2, 66. 4 times 8, 32. Plus 8, 40. 7 times 8, 56. Plus 4, 60. 3 times 8, 24. Plus 7, 31. And finally 3. See, once you get these numbers, so easy. 6, 1 carried, 67 means 7, 6 carried, 46 means 6, 4 carried, 64 means 4, 6 carried, 37 means 7, 3 carried, finally the 6. And here is my big answer. 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 6. Friends, calculators are not required. Calculators are for checking your calculations, not for doing the calculations. So don't commit that error in life. Don't do the calculations. Do it yourself, then check it using the calculator. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends who are struggling in mathematics, and do not hesitate in investing a little bit on your quality education. If you're not studying from the ultimate guide to speed maths, so many people will be smarter than you, right? So let's be smarter. Let's crack all the competitive exams. This is my WhatsApp number once more, 9896369963. Feel free to call me. I'll talk to you regarding this, clarify all your doubts, whatever you have regarding this amazing combo, and regarding the trick. It really works. It has worked for me. It will work for you also. So friends, if you like this video, do share it. Do like the video. Do hype it. And very important that you subscribe the channel and share the link with your friends so that they can also take advantage. Practice 30-40 such questions and do let me know in the comments below. Did it work for you? All the best.